DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a home improvement project with laminate tiles, you know that cutting them precisely is crucial for a professional finish. Today, we're going to show you the top 3 tools to cut laminate tiles in 2024. Let's get started. 1. Laminate Tile Cutter. This specialized tool is perfect for making straight cuts with ease and precision. To use a laminate flooring cutter, place the laminate tile on the cutter with the finish side up. Align your marked cut line with the blade, then press down on the handle. The cutter slices through the tile cleanly, with minimal effort and no dust. It's quiet, efficient, and great for beginners. 2. Jigsaw with Laminate Cutting Blade. This versatile tool is excellent for cutting curves and intricate shapes, making it ideal for fitting tiles around obstacles like pipes or door frames. Start by marking your cut line on the tile. Secure the tile with clamps to keep it steady. Use a fine-tooth blade designed for laminate and cut with the finish side down to minimize chipping. The jigsaw's maneuverability makes it perfect for detailed cuts. 3. Circular Saw with Fine-Toothed Blade. This powerful tool is perfect for making long, straight cuts quickly and efficiently. Mark your cut line on the tile and place it on a stable work surface with the finish side up. Use a straight edge or guide to ensure your cut is straight. Equip your circular saw with a fine-toothed blade for laminate. Carefully guide the saw along the cut line, maintaining a steady hand for a smooth, clean cut. And there you have 3 essential tools to cut laminate tiles like a pro in 2024. Whether you choose a laminate flooring cutter, a jigsaw, or a circular saw, each tool offers unique benefits for your project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring!